Have you ever found yourself staring at a mountain of survey responses, just waiting for that aha moment? SurveyMonkey's Analyze with AI can help you sift through your survey responses in seconds and get actionable insights. Let me show you how it works. When you land on the Analyze Results page, you'll see the Analyze with AI button ready and waiting. This opens up a chat between you and your data. With Analyze with AI, you can summarize, segment, and visualize your data. Let's try it now. Here's a survey we sent out to our email subscribers asking for their feedback. Let's check out some comparisons between different segments in our audience. For example, here I wrote a prompt to learn more about how the segment who are brand new to SurveyMonkey felt about our newsletter. And you can see that the majority found it extremely valuable or very valuable. Now, let's get a summary of the most common areas for improvement for our newsletter. Here I can see a clear visualization of what topics our readers would like to see more of. The more precise you are, the faster you'll get deeper, actionable insights. If you're looking for inspiration on what to write, check out the suggested questions. Want to export these snazzy visualizations for your next presentation? Click Export and you'll get a PNG downloaded direct. In moments, Analyze with AI sifts through your data and presents key takeaways, clear charts, and concise summaries. Ready to transform your data into decisions? Try SurveyMonkey's Analyze with AI today.